Hi, this is Bernice. This is for HTML and CSS from beginner to professional building modern websites. And the question may come up, why should you learn HTML and CSS? Learning HTML and CSS is essential if you're interested in web development, design, or building anything on the internet. 9 strong reasons to learn HTML and CSS is 1, to build your own websites. 2, a high demand job skill. 3, a foundation for web development. 4, design control. 5, empowerment and creativity. 6, mobile friendly responsive websites. 7, logical thinking and problem solving skills. 8, easy to start and free to learn or low cost to learn. And it works with everything online. Number 9 works with everything online. Just going to go over each one of those a little bit. First, build your own websites. HTML, hypertext markup language, gives your site the structure, and CSS, the cascading style sheets, makes it look good with layouts, colors, and fonts. And you can create personal blogs, portfolios, business sites, and more from scratch. There's also later, after you can learn JavaScript to work with the interactivity for the websites, to work with the HTML and CSS. Number 2, a high demand job skill. Web developers and designers, they must know HTML and CSS. Many tech roles list HTML and CSS as must-haves, such as front-end developer, UI or UX designer, user interface or user experience designers, full stack developers. And when searching for web developer jobs, it's smart to use a variety of related job titles because employers use different titles for similar roles. And this is just some of the possible titles you can search for: web developer, front end developer, back end developer, full stack developer, junior web developer, entry level web developer, senior web developer, and an HTML CSS developer. The foundation for web development begins with HTML and CSS. That's the starting point. And for learning JavaScript, React, or full stack development, and understanding how the web works begins here. Design control, if you want to customize WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace, or other no-code tools. And then HTML, CSS gives you full control over how things look and behave. Empowerment and creativity. You can create something unique and bring your ideas to life, from a personal project to a startup landing page. Number 6, it's mobile friendly, responsive websites. So you can learn to build websites that work well on phones, tablets, and desktops using CSS media queries and modern layout techniques like Flexbox and Grid. 7, logical thinking and problem solving. That is a skill that's in demand, probably for a lot of different types of jobs. Writing HTML and CSS improves your attention to detail, logical structure, and creative thinking. It's easy to start, free to learn, or low cost to learn. There are a lot of free things out there, websites where you can go to. I use Mozilla MDM developers, that site a lot. So there are a lot of free things out there. I learned it in school too, so which has helped a lot. And there are boot camps out there that teach it too. So there's a variety of ways. There's free and affordable resources online. Works with everything online. So email templates, online ads, landing pages, documentation. They use HTML and CSS. And knowing HTML and CSS gives you an edge in marketing, content writing, SEO. If you want to create, customize, or work with anything on the web, HTML and CSS are the must-have starting point, and they're the first step towards tech freedom and creativity. Thank you.